All right, this one I'm going to call the Brass series. And got a bone to pick with. If you guys are sellers out there and if you're watching, don't do that. I got part of it off, but all you're doing is ruining the box. Some of us collectors like to have it authentic without your stickers on here that won't peel off. Now, they do make stickers out there that will peel off without leaving any marks. Go buy those if you insist on putting them on here and ruining the box. But anyways, enough of that. All right, this one's C25. I believe this is supposed to be the Archangel. If I'm wrong, let me know. I like to know when I'm wrong, because I am wrong pretty often. But that fusion, that's pretty. I like the way the flames are against the rest of it. But I can't tell you what it's called because the seller covered it up with the Junko sticker. All right, sorry. All right, this one's regular brass finish, solid brass, 204. This one's in pretty good condition. Look at that. L25. Oh, pipe. A25. Get my fingerprints all over it now. I like the brass. Much more delicate, but I like it. 204B, golden black. When I mean delicate, it'll show your fingerprints. Well, chrome, shiny chrome will too. But I think, these will patina, corrode, and you can damage, in my opinion, you can damage them easier than you can the chrome. E21. But as you can tell, that doesn't stop me. I'm not sure what that design is considered. E21. E21. A little bit different ping than the other ones, huh? All right. Hope to see some of you guys tomorrow on the live. All right. Thanks, guys.